Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to edit a PLR ebook from beginning to end. Now, before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Now, there really are only 4 steps when it comes to editing PLR ebooks. Number 1, you need to be able to change the title of the ebook. Number 2, you need to be able to change the cover of the ebook as well. Number 3, we need to be able to change the content. And number 4, we need to add links to our ebook. Really, they are the 4 main things you need to do. But it's the stuff that goes in between that throws people off and stops them making progress. People ask themselves questions like, what should I title my ebook? Where can I get my cover from? How do I change the content of my ebook? And how much of the content should I be changing? What sort of links should I put in my ebook? Another thing we need to do is be able to do things like adding images to our ebook. Not only does it help bulk the ebook up, apart from adding more value to your customer, it also gives a visual representation of what you're talking about. There's nothing worse than getting an ebook on, say for example, YouTube, and it's got something that's dated like a 10-year-old YouTube, and it's really obvious that it's an old ebook with all these old images and old information. So what you need to be able to do is in that time be able to upgrade it and also add some new information to it that allows it to be relevant and current to today's circumstances. Let's have a look at some of the tools you're going to be needing to help you out with this process. Let's go check it out. Okay, now in this part of the video, we're looking at the first place, which is going to be answering the first of those questions that I posed in the first part of the video. And the first question it was, what should I title my ebook? Now to help you out with that, I've also got here in this particular site a place called selfpublishing.com. Now I'll leave a link to this down below, so it'll be a direct link to this section of what you're looking for. Now it's free to use and easy to use. What you need to do is put your keywords here. Say for example, one set of keywords, like for example, use nouns or verbs for best results. Now let's say for example you're wanting to add, you're creating something about affiliate marketing, so you can just say affiliate marketing, and then we can just go generate. It's very simple, and they're going to be asking you for your details, so I'm just going to quickly put that down and then we'll move forward from here. Okay, so as you can see, supercharge your affiliate marketing. That's not a bad title. It does do some pretty crappy titles, I'll be quite honest, but that one's actually not too bad. You can generate another one. How to be happy when affiliate marketing. Yeah, it's one of the crappy ones. Break all the rules and affiliate marketing. Yeah, I guess you could muck around with that to make it better. Break all the rules and still make money with affiliate marketing. Yeah, something along those lines would be a good title as well. Effortless affiliate marketing. Now that's a really good one. Affiliate marketing for the common man, or for newbies, or for whatever you want to say. What the F is affiliate marketing? That's a good one. That could be used for a little report that you could create. So there's a whole bunch of different ones here you could use as a help to help you do it. So if you're stuck with coming up with ideas for your ebook, for your PLR ebook, and you want to be able to change the title of the ebook, and you know what the basic premise of the ebook is about, then it really is a fantastic way of being able to just generate a new title without any muss or fuss. So let's go answer the next question. Now the next question we have to answer is, where can I get e-covers from? Well, quite simply, I've taken you to a place called Poster My Wall. And to be perfectly honest, if you want to be able to get into this particular site, I created a video yesterday which went all through this, and I'll leave that in the card above. Okay, so let's have a look at what we have here. So we're going to scroll down here and have a look at some of this. Okay, you got How to Write a Book by Steve Adams, and you could have something that looks like that if you wish to, or if you have something about, you know, roadmaps to success, that's good as well. You can go through and have a look at all the different kinds they have. Say for example you want to create something like Creative Brain. You got here Creative Brain, so you got two different kinds. So let's go here and you go bang, and you can use the template. You wait a moment and it'll come up with the entire thing. So we'll just hold on for a moment while that happens. Okay, so here we are. Now let's say you want to change the name of that. Of course you want to put your name there, change that. You want to change the image if you wish to, and you can also use or remove background. You can add information there, and made by Post on My Wall. I think because it's free you don't get a chance to move that away from there. You can go there, and then you can also go here and you can change that. But really, I mean, to be perfectly honest, that is brilliant the way it is. You can change it. Now if you're wanting to, say for example, you know, download it, all you have to do is click over here, just wait for a moment. You want to keep it as a basic. If you're not paying for it, then you can download, and then you can download it to wherever you want to download it, and it is perfectly free. Now there is that issue of having made with Post on My Wall, but if you don't care about that, then that's fine. I would highly recommend that if you're going to be using a thing for the front cover of your actual ebook that you're wanting to create, then go over to Post on My Wall. I will leave a link in the description down below. As I said, I have created a video about this, and I created it yesterday, so I'll leave a link in the card above, and it gives you more information about how you can edit on this. Okay, so let's go answer the next question. Now in this particular part, there really are two questions you have to answer here. Firstly, how do I change the content of my ebook? Well, if you've been a member of my site for any length of time, you'll know that I promote QuillBot extensively because it is my favorite article rewriter. Now, it's a very simple matter of just copying some PLR ebook content here. Because I'm in the premium section, I'm allowed to upload up to 10,000 characters at a time. And then what it will do is it will rephrase it and reparaphrase it for you and make it original content. The second part of the question is, how much of the ebook content should you change? Personally, if I'm uploading into places like Amazon, I usually change around 70 to 80%, up to 100% of the content. Primarily because, let's face it, Amazon is getting tough on people who put PLR onto their site. So you're far better off changing it completely and then having it as unique content of your own. So what I normally do is say between 75 to 100% of the content should be changed. And it doesn't take long if you use a bit of software called QuillBot. Now, I'll leave a video in the card above if you want to learn how to use QuillBot properly. Now, another thing you're going to be needing to do when changing the content of your ebook, it's probably a good idea to get some images as well. So I'm going to be showing you 3 different sites you can go to. The first site you can go to is Pictory. Now, it's got 2.4 million quality photos that are free to use and free to use commercially, and you don't have to do any attribution towards them, meaning you don't have to credit them for the image you're using. So that's perfectly fine for you to put into a private label rights ebook that you're wanting to sell as your own. So you're more than welcome to do that, and you are free to use any of these images as often as you want. Now, let's say for example affiliate marketing. Yeah, I did spell that wrong. Thought I did. There we go. Hit enter and see what it comes up with. Sometimes be careful of these ones, because these ones you have to pay for, because these guys are affiliates for iStock, so be careful of that. So as you can see, you've got beautiful images here for affiliate marketing, and they are gorgeous. And you could use any one of these images for your ebook, and they would work in very, very well for most types of ebooks, especially if it's like a vector type. That is brilliant. I love it. Now let's go and have a look over here, and let's also go to Unsplash. Unsplash has been around for a long time. It's perhaps the best known of the lot, and it has millions upon millions of images. So Unsplash, we don't put Unsplash, we go to affiliate marketing. So we put that in here. And we hit enter, see what it comes up with. Now, same sort of thing. You can be careful that you don't have to pay for some of these images, like these ones here. These ones here are ones that you need to pay for. So you go down to the ones below it. So digital marketing, you can go down here, have a look at some of these ones, audience marketing, and you can choose some of these images here if you wish to. So as you can see, they are all really, really good. And we can also go over here to our last one, which happens to be Pexels. Now Pexels is really awesome as well, and let's look at affiliate marketing for this one. And we hit enter, and we'll see what it comes up with. And this one goes straight into the content, and you can go through here and have a look at some of the images. Maybe not quite as good. I mean, you got this one here and this one here, and you can go through, have a look at some of these. Oh, there's some of them that are pretty good. Some of them are kind of average, but other ones are not bad actually. So you can go through and have a scroll through here and have a look through all of these sites, because you might find something that's perfect for what you're wanting to do. And that's the beautiful part about all this, is you can look at all this and you can just do this. No, don't need to say all that. So let's go and have a look at what else you can do. Now another thing you can do, let's say for example, you go over to, let's go over here to incognito mode. Let's say for example you want to choose YouTube. And with YouTube you want to be able to show what the most modern interface of YouTube looks like. What you can literally do is you can now go, if you have a Windows program, you can get the snipping tool, and to find that all you need to do is go here, click on that section just here. For some reason it's not coming up on the screen. There it is. Click on that one and hit snipping tool. There we are. And all you have to do is click on that, the one with the scissors and the circle, and that will bring it up. Now I have this already set up on my desktop, and all I have to do is click on that, click on this section here, go click on the rectangle snap, and if I wanted to include everything in here, all I have to do is click on this section just there, scroll across until I cover all of that, and I can take it up to there if I wish to, and that then allows me to save this wherever I want it. Now I can just save it as, and I can put that anywhere I want on my desktop or anywhere I want. So as you can see, it now becomes a more updated version of what might have been an old PLR ebook that is outdated. So this brings it up to a more modern PLR ebook. Now let's go and have a look at how to add links to your ebook. Let's go check it out. Now let's say for example you want to be able to add a link. Now as you can see, you've got links that are here, and if I was to hit the control button, it would go here. Now let's have a look here. Learn to play tennis better. I'm just going to click on that one and see what it does. See if it takes me to a website or something that doesn't work. See, it's a broken link. So this is why you would want to be able to put links that are actually working in here. So when you're doing that, you want to make sure it is a link that is working. So when you're doing your ebook, because sometimes you'll look through ebooks and they do have those links scattered throughout. Obviously that one won't have it. GoDaddy will work because it is a recognized link that will work. And you can go through here and have a look at the various things. But you need to make sure that the links are in fact working, and you can turn them into affiliate links. If you say, for example, become an affiliate for GoDaddy, you can then add your affiliate link to that. Let me show you how to do that. What we can do is just go highlight over the top of that particular one, go over here to insert, go over here to link, click on that link right there and go link. Wait for that to wake up and we'll be right back. Okay, now as you can see, it's got the link right here. Now of course you want to make that HTTPS because that is an old link. This is a really old ebook, by the way. And you'd want to probably put your affiliate link right here, and this way it will work and go to where it's got to go. You hit OK, and then it'll add it to that area just there. Now I have a bonus tip for you right now. Let's go have a look at how to resize the image on the front cover. Let's go up here. If I was to grab that image and try to expand it up as is, this is what will happen. Okay, it will expand that way, no problem, but if I go to try and take it to the left, that image won't do that. It will just continue to expand to the right. Now let's undo both of those and see how we can actually fix that. Now what we need to do is click on the actual image, then head out to layout. Then over here you'll see where it says wrap text. We click on that and we scroll down to behind text. We click on that, and then what we can do is we can literally grab hold of this image once it lets you. As you can see, it allows you to take it up to the top corner. It's a little bit fidgety right now. And you can take it to the edge of the book. And this allows you to expand it up and move it to the size you actually want it. Now I'm going to take that down to the bottom of the page, grabbing that, dragging that all the way down to the very bottom of the page, and doing that, and there you have it. That now covers your entire book. We'll just take that little bit to the top to make sure it's completely covered. There we are. And just being sure that everything is covered, and there you have it. It's as simple as that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and also, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the video. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.